Hi, this is Joseph. It is Tuesday, February 9th, 2016. I wanted to do a quick review and update. First of all, I wanted to congratulate new coaching students that just signed up last week. They've already begun exercising and executing a lot of these trades, the same trades I'm going to show you today. So we're going to start off with some of the continuation breakout trades. So again, today is Tuesday. We're pretty much done trading Tuesday's, most of Tuesday's trading activity, but it really all started here with Monday's open. We're looking at the pound dollar 1 hour time frame. So coaching students executed the continuation breakout trade. That's the one that we're going to talk about today. There were several this week so far. Again, only 2 days in. And this was here on the pound dollar 60-minute time frame continuation breakout trade. This resulted in a total of 55 pips. Now this is by the rules, by the book, continuation breakout trade. Coaching students identified it right away and were able to trade this one for a quick 55 pip profit. It doesn't always work this fast. That's one of the things that I want to share with you today, is that not every trade that we execute is going to be this quick. Some of them will take maybe an hour or two. Other times it might take maybe 7, 8, 9, 10 hours. It really depends on the market activity. Now, there really wasn't a continuation breakout trade up here other than some of these reversals, but we are looking at the possibility of the trend maybe resuming back down here if it takes out some of these lows. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Now, there were several others that I want to show you. This was another trade that developed this week, and it was here on the dollar yen. The dollar yen continuation breakout trade closing below support. Again, another 1 hour candle giving us the signal with all indicators confirming. This paid 55 pips. Another trade that brand new coaching students were able to execute. Again, this particular technique isn't really that difficult. It's not. It just has a couple of extra indicators that we look at compared to the HL30. I'll show you a couple of HL30s. There was actually HL30s that developed on Monday on the yen and the yen crosses, and they all hit not only their first but their second targets on the dollar yen, euro dollar. The euro yen and then the pound yen. All of them started really with an HL30 in the morning and then later on developed a continuation breakout trade where price then closed below support and continued a lot lower for an additional 55 pips here. And there was also continuation breakout trades on the yen crosses. This one here is a continuation breakout trade on the pound yen. This is the 1 hour time frame. Again, a close below support, giving us an entry here with a 250 pip target. I get a lot of emails, and many people will ask, how is it that you are working that out? Is it the same structure as the continuation breakout trade when you execute it on the euro dollar or the pound dollar? Yes. In addition to using the same structure and the same indicators for the continuation breakout trade on the pound yen, we also use the same stop loss, the 55 pip stop loss. So even though we're using a 55 pip stop loss, it's still reaching the 250 pip target. You can learn how to do this. You can execute these trades on the pound yen when it develops. The reality is that we don't get a continuation breakout trade every single day on the pound yen. There are occasionally some weeks where we don't get a continuation breakout trade on that pair. We might have to look for it on other pairs. But the point is, when it executes like this, when it sets up like this, you can execute the trade on the pound yen and earn 250 pips just by executing this trade here. And then for the most part, just letting it move. Let the market move, let price move, let it go, let it do its work, let it do what it's supposed to, and it will hit that 250 pip target if you execute this trade correctly. We do this over and over and over again. We've executed this trade so many times over the past 2 or 3 months now, even in the month of December, January, and February so far. We've been executing multiple HL30s here on the pound. Multiple continuation breakout trades here on the pound yen, earning 250 pips every time we take this trade. So now we're going to take a look at the euro yen continuation breakout trade. Now that's 360 pips so far, but there was another one that developed here. We trade this to two different targets. The first target is here at 80. Another continuation breakout trade. This earned approximately 80, so now we're over 400 pips. Let me show you some more. Now back over here to the pound yen. The pound yen created a T2 pattern. Now that's an advanced candle pattern. That's an advanced technique that I teach and also the coaching program. But this is a T2 pattern that allows us to trade reversals. Basically, it's a form of trading a W bottom. We did that again today, earning approximately 35 to 38 pips here. We do the same thing again with the pound dollar and the euro dollar, fading or trading the bounce off of resistance, overall resistance, but fading a trending move from the previous day. This was not an HL30. This was actually another technique called the Tech One trade. I teach all of these strategies in my coaching course. And then I call out all of these trades in the chat room live every day with all of my coaching students. You're welcome to join us at any one of the sessions or all of the sessions, and you can execute these trades with me. When I get into these trades, I call out these trades, and I walk all of my coaching students through all of these trades just like this. So there is over 600, 700 pips that are available as a result of using just my trading strategy alone that could have been earned. You could have earned that right away in the coaching class with us in the chat room. And it's only Tuesday. It's just now Tuesday evening, United States time, and we still have the rest of the week. So it's an awesome opportunity for you to really start seeing a lot of money every single week, even if you're trading with a mini account earning $1 a pip. We're talking about 600-700 pips every week, or on average every week, maybe 800 pips on average. That's $800 if you're just trading one lot, one pip. Or if you're trading standards at $10 a pip, we're talking, anywhere from $800. Then you're going up to $8,000 a week. There's a lot of money to be made using this technique. I have to be totally open and transparent here. There are going to be some weeks where we might only get 400 pips, as we have in the past couple of weeks. It was just slower. The trades weren't really giving us any signals because the market was going inside a consolidation. It was just a different trading environment. But once it always comes around, all we've got to do is wait for it. And once it comes around and starts to break out of these ranges, we take trades like this every day, every day, every day. Monday and Tuesday, there's over 700 pips in profits just from using these trades that I've showed you today. You can do the same thing. Just join the chat room, get in there, start trading with me. I'll walk you through each and every single one of these techniques. There's a huge, and I'm really proud of it, it's a big membership area that we built over the Christmas holiday, brand new membership area. Everything's detailed, everything's categorized, everything's easy to get to, and you have instant access into the chat room so that you can start earning money, but learning how to use this trading system so that way you can do it every single day. But again, if you don't trust yourself, or if you feel hesitant in doing it on your own, don't do it on your own. Do it with me. Let me trade with you. Let me show you how it works. Let me do it with you side by side every day. You can make 5, 6, 7, 8, 900 pips in a single week when the market provides the opportunity to. And I'll be there to call out each and every single one of these trades for you. If you haven't seen the webinar for my coaching program, I highly recommend you watch that webinar. I will be sending you some email links so that you can take a look at the replay, and then you can watch through it. You can sort of skip forward, and you can see exactly everything that's inside of the membership area. I show you exactly, I go deep into the membership area and show you everything that's in there. And then I show you how everything works and what we actually do, what the schedule's like. Right after that, as soon as you're done watching the webinar, you can click the sign up and purchase option and join us right away. I mean, within just minutes after you complete the sign up purchase, you're going to get a link to get straight into the members area, which will take you straight into the chat room, and you're there. You're with us right away and trading every single day with me. It is really the only way to go. It's a protected environment, it's a safe environment, and it's risk-free because it's guaranteed. So I look forward to trading with you in the chat room. If you have any questions about the program, send me an email. And again, keep an eye out for the email that contains the replay to the webinar, so I show you exactly how it all works and some of these strategies, some more live trades that we've executed. And get in there. There's really no reason to wait. Every week that you wait is another week that you're not going to make 4, 5, 6, 900 pips or whatever it is that we end up with at the end of the week. That's another week that you won't have that. I want you to have that. I want you to be in there with me and trade with me side by side.